When a pedestrian is struck in Missouri and they're not in a crosswalk, they can absolutely still make a claim against the at-fault driver. Whenever someone is operating a vehicle, they have a duty to watch out where they're going, they have a duty to go the proper speed, they have a duty to avoid any kind of collision with the front of their vehicle. So a pedestrian may be partially at fault, maybe they shouldn't, maybe they were jaywalking, but the driver may also be at fault. So we've seen a lot of these pedestrian accidents in the last few years, and we've had really good luck. We almost always are able to recover for pedestrians who are hit in a roadway. Oftentimes you'll see them walking on the shoulder, sometimes they're trying to cross a road, and inevitably we can get a recovery from the insurance company, despite the fact that they may have been maybe not using the best judgment, maybe they should have crossed the road in a different spot. But you still can make a claim against the driver for striking you, regardless of whether you're in a crosswalk. The most important thing to do if you or a family member are involved in a pedestrian accident is contact an injury attorney who can do a proper evaluation of your case, can look at the strengths and the weaknesses, and can determine whether or not you have a valid claim and whether or not you're entitled to recovery from the at-fault driver's insurance.